What's up, guys? Here we are at the Grand Canyon in Arizona. If you've ever been to the Grand Canyon, I think the best way to describe it is awe-inspiring. Now, here's a question for you though. Do you think this happened overnight? Just bam, there was the Grand Canyon? No way. It took thousands and thousands of years to have this kind of result. Now, how does that compare to your Amazon business? Well, when you look at your Amazon business, do you look at it as if it's like this giant beast like the Grand Canyon? Now, many people would compare my business and say, you know what, Tim, you have a business that's like the Grand Canyon, something gigantic. You just hit $10 million in the past 12 months. But that's all perspective. As time goes on, I'm starting to realize that not even my business is Grand Canyon-like compared to other businesses. Back to how it applies to you though in your Amazon business. You may feel like, hey Tim, I come home from a 9 to 5, I sit there on Jungle Scout or Viral Launch, and I'm trying to find all these products, and I don't really have much to show for it, let alone a Grand Canyon-sized business. But the truth of the matter is that's how it's like for everyone at the beginning, right? That's how it was like for me at the beginning. That's how it's like for all the other successful sellers I know. It takes a while to get the ball rolling, okay? So don't give up. The book I always recommend to you guys is The Slight Edge, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. And in it, it talks about consistently making small decisions on a day-to-day basis. And when you look back, the compounding effect of those decisions are huge. And a lot of times at the beginning, especially beginning, you don't see anything that's coming from it. Maybe it's all just head knowledge. That's what you feel like at the beginning of your Amazon journey. I'm taking in a lot of head knowledge, but I don't have much to show for it. We'll keep on persevering. And next thing you know, you'll look back and you will have hit that upswing when you really start to see where all of that compound interest comes into play. When you look back and your business is where you never thought it could have ever been. And it's the size of like the Grand Canyon. Don't get discouraged, all right? Keep doing those day-to-day actions. Read that book, The Slight Edge. 80% of this whole thing is mindset. I would say 20% of it is like business fundamentals, and like 2% or 1 or 2% is like hacks or techniques. Okay, if you can get the mindset piece, you're gonna be golden, okay? So think outside the box, make those consistent good decisions. And eventually, the compounding effect of those things, you'll have something to look back at exactly like the Grand Canyon. All right, you guys, see you in the next video.